Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, this is SYEDA Hub and today we are going to start May-June 2024 paper 2 variant 21 ICT, Information and Communication Technology. So let's start it. The first part of this paper is task 1. Before task 1 they have given us some instructions. You have been supplied with the following resource files. So go and check whether these resource files has been provided. So these are the source files and I think they are the same which they are telling us in the paper. Okay, now task 1, open the file J2421 evidence.rtf. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as an evidence followed by your candidate number and for example evidence E9999. Okay, fine. Let me find out the evidence and save it first with my name and candidate number and then we will proceed for the further part. So there is evidence document. Let me open it. Okay, here it is. The first step what we are supposed to do is we are going to save as this file in the folder. Control V is my name and let's suppose this is my candidate number and the type will be docs and save. Now this is my evidence 1234 and document file is ready. So they ask us to write down our detail. SYEDA, this is my center number and this will be my candidate number. So now my evidence document is perfectly ready to work in it. So let's move back to my question paper. After creating the evidence document, we need this evidence document, paste the screenshots when required. Okay, fine. Task 2 is document. You are going to edit a document. Company use a corporate house style for all their documentations. Okay. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. So the paragraph style already created. Use a suitable software package. So we are using MS Word. Open this file J2421children.rtf. Okay, fine. Let's move towards the resource and this is the file which they are requiring. Press enter on it and move towards the paper. After that I opened it. The page setup is set. It's already set on A4 portrait orientation with 2 centimeter margin. The purpose of telling everything whether it's already set that we need to go and check it once again. Do not make any changes to these settings. Let's go to our layout, check the orientation. It's portrait, margins are, yes, it is 2 centimeter. Fine. And the document is portrait and page is A4. Fine. Everything is fine. So afterwards go back to the paper. 3 paragraph styles has already been created. Fine. 3 are already done. Do not make any changes to these unless instructed. Fine. Save the document in your work area with the file name nursery. I'm going to save that file in my work area. Name should be nursery and format should be document.doc and save. So next they are asking make sure it is saved in the format of the software. Yes, we saved it in doc. Place your evidence document and screenshots to show the file has been saved. Make sure that there is an evidence of that file type. File type and name should be there. So let's go, and here we are having the details. In my work area I am having 2 files. I am going to take a snapshot, snipping tool, and this is the name and this is the type. So this will be the screenshot which I am going to paste in my evidence document. My first evidence is here. Next I am going towards the paper. Let's see what they are asking next. Question number 2. Place in the nursery document a right align header of a single line. You will add this text in it and followed by a space, your name, center number, and candidate number. So on the right side, I am going to paste this one with the space and my SYEDA hub. Now followed by the space, name, center number, candidate number, and a left align footer with automated page number. Okay, this empty placeholder we will erase. Now next we will move towards the footer. We will enter the page number. This is the page number. After this point, we will move again towards the paper. Make sure all the header details are on a single line. All the alignment matches the page margins and no other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer area other than that requirements which they have given. The header and footer are displayed on each and every page. Let's go and check all the instructions. It is in single line and it is according to the document margin. At the bottom we are having page number on the left side, and on each and every document the page numbers are updating. So this portion is already done. Question number 3, create and store the following style. Base should be default and normal, and we are going to create it now. So 3 of them are already created. We are using TC title. This is the style area. Click the document launcher and open it. Go to A plus to create a new one. Here we are giving the name, and this is the base area where we are having TC body, but make it normal. It shouldn't base on any other style. And then rest of the instructions are here. Font is serif, means Time New Romans 32, centered align, bold and italic. Single line spacing 0 before and 6 after. Single line spacing in paragraph, before is 0 and after is 6. Place it next to it and take a screenshot. Now after taking this screenshot, let me minimize, and here my TC title is ready. So let's see what the paper is saying next. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings of TC style. Make sure that there is an evidence based on the default and normal, and place your evidence document. So I am going to my evidence document and I will place it in, should be properly shown. The base is normal. So next they are asking question number 4, apply the TC title style to the title text Tawara and click on the heading which we have created. So the style did has been applied. Move towards the paper. What's next? It's done. Select the subheading staff and the followed text including the paragraph ending enjoy their new surrounding. In our document we are having staff. This is the staff area. We will select the whole area till end of the paragraph where they are mentioning regarding the enjoyment of the surroundings. So till here we are supposed to select this area, change the layout so that only the text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width and 1 centimeter space between both the columns. So let's move. We have already selected it. Here it is. So go to the layout and columns. You can select it from here, but I need to adjust some more stuff. So I am going to take 2, select the equal column width and 1 centimeter space between them, and then OK. Now here it is. It's perfectly divided into 2 columns starting from staff till enjoy their new surrounding. So let's see what the paper is saying next. Question number 6. The style name TC subheading has already been created, stored and applied to the 5 subheadings. Okay, modify the TC subheading style. We are going to modify it, which is already created. Only the following formatting is applied. Fine. Name is TC subheading and sans serif 14 and center. So let's go and open from the home tab From the styles, modify it. This is the modification we are going to do. Base is already normal. Here we are going to take sans serif means Arial, and then size is 14. The centered align, italic, bold, all caps, not underline, all caps is mentioned. So for that purpose we will go to font. In font we are having option of all caps. Place it here and then OK. After that they are asking for single spacing, 0 before and 7 after. Now I am going to paragraph, single spacing, 0 before and 7 after. So I think the requirement is done. So I need to take a screenshot beforehand. Take a new one. But this time is modify style should be there. Don't crop this modify style. They asked us to modify. So we need to take that option. So I have taken the screenshot, should be placed in the evidence document. Control V. Evidence 6 means we worked on question number 6. Fine. So in evidence 6 we have pasted. Press Ctrl S before leaving that page. Question number 7. Apply a number list formatted as 1 to 7 to the text from communication and language to art and design. Make sure that the numbers are aligned to the left. Okay, first point, the list is the line spacing, no space before or after each line. Let me fix that stuff. Communication till design, we will find out the area of the bulleted list. Here it is, starting from communication, ending on design. Select it, go to bullets, numbering you will take, or this numbering should be aligned with the left margin. So go to the paragraph, open it, place it here. So indentation before text means okay, it should be 0. Then let's press OK. It's done. Next they are asking list is in single line spacing, no spacing before or after. Again we need this paragraph style. Before and after should be 0 and 1.5 line spacing is there. I am making it single. Okay, very good. This is a 7-point space after the last item in the list. So other than selecting it, I can select the last line, go to the paragraph and make it 7. Okay, and let's check. Okay, they gave a space between these two paragraphs after clicking 7. So this portion is done. Now we are moving towards question number 8. Import an image J2421 logo .jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning with have 8 spacious playrooms. Let me find these alphabets first, or you can say find where we need to place the image. In my document, there are multiple ways. One is pressing Ctrl F to find 8 EIGHT. So it took me here. Yes, 8 spacious playing rooms. So we will place our image here. Thank you so much finding a tool. So we are moving towards the image now. Insert picture from my drive and move to your folder. Here it is. This is the image which we are going to insert. Okay, it's inserted and I think we need to rotate it as well because text is at the top now right away. Rotate it 180 degree with the image size and keep the aspect ratio on. So move towards the double click on the image and then go to rotate 90 degree once and 90 degree again, so it is altogether 180 degree centigrade. And now resizing, so they didn't mention any size. Format the image. Now formatting is here. It is aligned to a right margin to the top of the paragraph. So I am clicking and double clicking on it and make the wrap tight and drag it towards right side of the paragraph. It's looking nice. Let me check the question paper again. Place it on the right margin of top of the paragraph starting. Fine. We have 8 spacious rooms and text wrap around the image. We have already done. All these steps are done. Let's start question number 9. Locate the table in the document. Format the table so that now a table is there in the document. We are supposed to locate it and then we will format it. In formatting, we will do take the table width and set it into 13 centimeter. Fine. So this time we are going to select the table specifically and then we are going to set its width as 13 centimeter. Fine, let me go and locate the table first and then I will, okay, this is the table. And if you want to select the table, this is the selection of the data actually. And when you want to select a row, then it should be a little out of this box. So now you have selected the row. In the same way, when you will press this star, now you have selected the table. And for that purpose, I will go to table layout option and then table properties. In the table properties, there are multiple options which we need to check. This is the preference, the table tab, row tab, column tab and cell tab. Accordingly, we will adjust. Right now, they are asking to adjust the table width. So preference of the width is 13. We will fix it from here. Now, this is the preferred width which they have given in the paper. All the rows are set to 1 centimeter high. So let's go back and open these properties again. So in this situation, we are going to touch the row and the height of specific is 1 centimeter. So let me change it to 1 centimeter high. Now this is the actual requirement they are looking for, and data is centered align and vertical in a row. Centered align means vertically in a row. Let me show you what they are asking. They want us to centered align within vertically within the row. Right now it is on the top, and if it will be down then it will be bottom. I can show you centered while you are setting it vertically. Now it is centered align. Fine. So this point is also done. The table is centered align within the page margin. Now they are not asking the data should be centered aligned. This time we are centered aligning the table. Let's go back to these properties. Click the table option and then make it centered align. Okay, now you can see within the document the table is perfectly centered aligned. So question number 9 is done. Move towards question number 10. Spell check and proofread the document. If there is a spelling mistake, you need to proofread it. Make sure that the list and the table are not split over the columns or pages. First, proofread it. There is a minor mistake, I think the space mistake. There is no red underline, so there is no spelling mistake. If there is, then you are supposed to change it. But now next point is lists and tables should not be split into columns. So let me check my list. This is not splitted, and my table, it is not splitted either. So let's check what's next. There shouldn't be any widows and orphans. So for that purpose, let me go and check my document in detail. So first paragraph is properly settled. Here also there is no widows. Okay, but here there is only 2 lines. Rest of the paragraph is here. So can I move it toward on the next page by pressing enter? Yes, it is there now, looking much better, and this and this. So it is, in my view, it's quite perfect. So let's check anything. No blank page. Yes, there is no blank page in between the document. Original styles are maintained. Yes, totally maintained. The TC subheading style changes in step 6. Especially check it whether it's capital. We have made some modifications here. All styles are applied in consistency. Yes, and spacing is consistent between all the items. Yes, it is also there. All the spacings between all the items are quite consistent even within these paragraphs as they defined. Save the document using the same file name and format it in used in step 1. Print the document. Now we are going to save it in PDF. There are multiple ways of saving it. If I can give it option save as and I take it from here as PDF, this is also fine. Let me make it, and then if you want to take a printout, press Ctrl P and settle it down like this. Ctrl P, and from the printer type, open the area Foxit PDF or whatever software you are having, the PDF file should be there. So in this way, you can save your document in PDF as well. So right now I am already saved it. Let me go open and check it. This is my file. At the top right, there is a header, then title. This my image is perfectly settled. The subheadings, my list. There is no orphan, then the table, as so it is looking so perfect. So let's give a command to print, and then we will print it in the paper. This section is done, achieved 22 marks as well. So now next there is a database portion. We will cover it in the next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.